Buenos días, profesor. El día de hoy voy a dar mi discurso. My name is Yanira. I am 20 years old and I am from Ilo, Peru. I am a student of education. Today I am going to tell about myself, my daily life, and I am important experience from my past. First, let me introduce myself through some with the occasion and answer. Who am I? I am Yanira. I am a student who enjoys learning and helping others. Where do I live? I live in Ilo, a beautiful coastal city in Peru. What do I study? I study education because I want to become a good teacher in the future. When do I usually study? I usually study in the morning and in the evening. Why do I like education? Because I enjoy teaching and supporting students in their learning process. How do I spend my free time? And my free time, I usually exercise, listen to music, read book, and spend time with my family and friends. Today I often go for walks and physical exercise. However, 2 years ago, I am persist in my community education project. I was nervous because it was my first working with children. We helping children with reading activities. I prepared education materials and games. One day I'm helping a student who are difficult reading. After several weeks of practice, he improved and read completely in front of the groups. From this experience and learning, positive communication skill and confidence, and also reading, that education can possibly change people's lives. From these experiences and learning some important lessons, students regularly practice reading every day, be positive, exercise, frequently visit new places, and help others whenever possible. These experiences taught learning is not only about studying but also about helping others, working as a team, and grow in a person. To conclude, I am Yanira. I'm 20 years old and education student from ILO. This education project helping me become more responsive and confident and showing the positive impact that education can have on people's life. That's all. Thank you for your attention.